So what you want to do when you are adding your decimals is first you want to put your placeholders, which will always be zeros, so 0 and 0. My minus sign is in the way, but my negative sign is in the way, so there's our zeros, and then you just add. So 2, 15, then we got 8. You gotta put your decimal down right where it is, line up the decimals, and then 1. So that will be your answer for that. So there you go. Also, the same thing, when you're subtracting your decimals, you want to get your placeholders. They'll only be on the bottom number right now, but so 0 and 0. So what you want to do, you're just going to subtract 0 from 9, which is 9. And then 13 will be there. 13 minus 6 is 7. Then put a decimal like we have to. Line it up. 2 and 1. So there you go. That's your answer. So what we want to do first here is we just want to write our answer down. 4.02 times, I don't know, yeah, you don't have to line up your decimals, so you can just put that in there, just like that, and you just draw a line. So then you just multiply, so you got 14, and then you should, 1, and then you got 7 times 4, which would be 28. So then we're just going to put that in like that. And then right after that, you want to count your decimal place. So you got 2. Then you got 1, so 2 plus 1. Obviously, it's 3. So you're just going to move your decimal over by 3 spots like that. Draw your little arrow, decimal. So your final answer should be 2.814. Oh yes, and guys, one more thing that you have to do here. You have to do your chuck step. So I'm just gonna, it's a little crowded over here, but I'm just gonna do my chuck step. You just have to round, so you're just gonna round that to that, and then 1 plus 5. There you go. Circle that. Today we will be dividing decimals, and the first thing you want to do is, this is where our teacher told us, you gotta move these. Oh, sorry about that. This has to come down there, so last is first, and first is last. 1.6, like that. And here, I'm just gonna erase these arrows now. So no. Arrows erased. And then that 0.2. So then also what you want to do here, so you're just going to want to move this decimal right in there. And when you move it over on your first number, you're going to have to do the second. So you're just going to move that over 1. And then your decimal is going to come up there. I'm just going to retap them. Right, okay, cannot. And then you're just going to divide. So here we go. 2 goes into 10 5 times. 0. So there you go. And yours, how much times 2 go into 6? Goes in 3 times. 2 times 3 is 6. Yeah, and your answer is just going to be 5.3. There you go. Okay, we are going to be doing how to solve equations containing decimals. And what you want to do is you have to get W by itself. So what undoes subtraction is addition. So we're just going to go like that. And you have to do it on both sides. Can't forget that part. Same straight line. Exit those out. You won't need them anymore. W equals. Then all you gotta do is add 7. There you go. Okay, so now we are going to be doing addition. But what you have to do to undo addition, you can probably guess it, subtraction. Yep, there you go. And, oh yep, almost forgot. You gotta do it on both sides. So you gotta do both sides here. Minus, and then plus. So equals, and then all you gotta do is subtract them. So 7, 10, 9, 0, 4, and 2. There you go. That's the answer. Okay, so for this one, I'm definitely not going to have enough space, but I'm going to try this really small. So, since it's multiplication, you have to undo it with division. So I'm going to do this, and then draw my line, y equals, cross this out. Okay, so now, yeah, this is one I'm definitely going to run out of space, but I'm going to try this. 1.2 divided by 144. 144, it goes in once, so 1.2. And then bring down your 4, that is twice. And then when you multiply, you're going to want to bring that over, so that's going to be 0.2. There you go. Okay, we are going to be multiplying, even though it looks like dividing. What you have to do is here, what undoes division is multiplication. So right up top, squangle like that, and then on this side you have to go 8.2 also. So there. And then once you do that, just go like that, cross it out, and equals, and then you just do your multiplication off to the side. Yeah, I'm kind of running out of space here. Where was I? Oh yeah, so 8 times 6 is 48. And then 4, so that'll get us 294. And then so 4, 9, 2. Move it over twice because there are 2 decimal spaces. Sorry for the space run out though. So today we are going to be adding fractions. And this one's easy because the denominator is the same. So you just got to go 6 plus 3 equals 15. 6 plus 3 over 15. And then you just get 9 over 15. That's your answer. Okay, so this one's a little hard. It's subtracting. But still, what you want to do is you're just going to go like this. 1 over 2, so half. And then 21 over 24. Then you just got to multiply this by 24. This by 24. And then these ones, you want to do the other denominator, so times 2. Times 2. So you can see it should come out, your bottom number, 21 over 24, should come out to 42 over 48 minus 24 over 48. So now all we have to do is subtract. I'm going to get rid of these if I can. Yes. I just gotta get a little more space here, so I'm just gonna get rid of those. So now that is gone, I am just going to subtract. So 24. So I gotta do 48 and 24 minus 42 should just be sorry, 1 second. 18 over 48, and there's your answer. Okay, today we are going to be multiplying fractions. And what we just want to do is you just want to write down your problem like this. So you're going to 1 times 2 over 4 times 3. That's a negative, so negative, let's try there, negative. Now, you just have to multiply, so, oh wait, no, you have to check for common factors it is. So, 4 goes into 2 twice, and that's 1. So then you got 1 over 6, and 1 over 6 cannot be reduced, so that's your answer. Today we will be dividing fractions. This is really easy. All you have to do is you have to keep the first one the same. So I'm going to do it right now. So 3/4. You have to change the sign. Boom. And then you just have to flip them. So 7 over. And you say 3 times 7. 4 times 6.
What are those?
That will equal 2 times 7 is that is 21 over 24. And hold on one second. Yeah, and that will be your answer. So there you go. Today we will be solving equations containing fractions. And what we have to use them a little bit. This minus 1 minus 1 6 and this so equals, and then you just have to add them. So it should just be 1 2. You just gotta do the same thing, just get n by itself. And that, and then we're just gonna go like this. Those are gonna stop, and it's going to equal. And then all you have to do is add up. So 3/5 plus 1/5 equals 4. N equals 4/5. Okay, this one's a little more tricky because it's going to be divided. So I'm just going to be using blue out to show what it is. So you just have to divide this 1/5, and then just cross out. You get rid on this side, don't forget. So then x is just going to equal. You just have to divide 4 into 1/5. So 4 over 1 divided by 5. That was bad, 5. 5 over 1. It's just going to be 20, because 20 over 1 is just 20. There you go. Okay, here we're going to have to divide again. This time we're not. Yeah, we're going to have to divide again. So we're going to divide by 6. Then we're just going to divide this by 6 too. So now that we have that, we can cross those out. Bring 1 down. And then we have to divide 1/2 by 6. So we can just do this. We can put over 1 and flip it. So I'm going to flip 1 over 6. But now we have to multiply 2. So we replace this. Multiply 2. But there's nothing to cross multiply, so this is where you're at. This is going to equal 1/12.